If you have these little white bumps under your eyes or on your nose, this is called milia. Milia are a collection of keratin cysts that are trapped underneath the skin. To prevent milia, first you need to use a lightweight comedogenic sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. Try to prevent things from getting trapped underneath your skin by using retinoids to increase skin cell turnover. And exfoliating regularly will keep the stratum corneum from trapping things underneath it. Glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids are great exfoliants in preventing milia from forming underneath the skin. If you want to reduce the size of a pimple overnight, apply a benzoyl peroxide cream, then apply a little band-aid over the pimple before going to bed. When you wake up, it'll be much smaller and less inflamed. If you have sensitive skin and a damaged skin barrier, you need to give your skin some time to heal. Stop your irritating products like retinols and exfoliants. Just use a gentle cleanser and follow with a gentle moisturizer like the Kiehl's Centella Sensitive Secret Cream. This cream is extra hydrating. It contains madecassoside, which improves redness and repairs the skin barrier. Do this for a few weeks and your skin will heal itself. And don't forget to wear your sunscreen. If you want to plump up your lips without lip injections or fillers, put a couple of drops of food-grade peppermint oil into your lip gloss, mix it up and apply it onto your lips. This will create a mild irritation that will cause your lips to temporarily plump up. If you have redness and flaking around your nose, this is called seborrheic dermatitis, which is basically like having dandruff on your face. Prescription meds and topical antifungal creams can help treat the underlying problem. You can also use ketoconazole shampoo as a face wash. If you have dry skin and your skin looks like this when you apply foundation or even tinted products and you've tried everything but nothing works, I have a tip for you. Apply Nivea cream after cleansing and drying your face. Give it a minute to set, then add your foundation or any tinted product on top. This should help with any dryness, flakiness, or caking. And make sure to exfoliate your skin once a week. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Eye Cream. These results are 100% legit. It's very similar to Plexiderm. It contains silicates, which is like glue. When applied to the skin, it dries and pulls the skin with it, instantly firming the eye bags. These results are only temporary. It only works on very loose skin and leaves a glue-like residue. But it can be great as a quick fix or under makeup. If you want to take good care of your skin, there are 5 simple steps you need to follow. Number 1, drink plenty of water. Water helps to hydrate your skin and can give you that healthy and glowing look we all love. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Number 2, remove your makeup before bed. Sleeping with makeup on can clog your pores, leading to breakouts and dull-looking skin. Use a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil before bed. Number 3, use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Sun damage can accelerate aging and cause dark spots, so protect your skin by wearing a good sunscreen. Number 4, exfoliate once or twice a week. Regular exfoliation can help to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, revealing smoother and brighter skin. Number 5, moisturize daily. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential for healthy looking skin, so make sure you moisturize your face and body daily. If you follow these 5 simple steps, you can achieve healthy, clear, and beautiful looking skin in no time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Collagen supplements are some of the best nutritional supplements to help improve the health and quality of your skin. It was found in a recent meta-analysis of over 1,100 people that taking collagen for 90 days improved skin aging by reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity and hydration. Some of the great brands of collagen out there are Vital, Proteins, and Bulletproof.